Early Sunday morning, yes, we are doing a vlog, and today I'm visiting one of the mothers who actually invited me to come and see her house. She said, "Hey, Decent, please come over and see my house so that you can share it with the world." Yes, it's actually a beautiful, beautiful house. So this house is actually for students at the moment, University of Zimbabwe students. So this is what I'm up to, and you guys, I'm going to share with you my journey from here right at home till I arrive there, and also what I'm gonna see and all those kind of things. So this is typical of a vlog. Yeah, let's enjoy. Guys, I almost forgot to update you, so I just dropped off. So right now I'm in Hatcliffe. This is Hatcliffe where I am, and I'm going to update you throughout my whole journey. Right guys, ndasvika manje kuHatcliffe, so ndasangana namama vangu ava vane yakanaka zvisingaiti, saka ndoka ndachimukira early in the morning, and you can actually see her. She's actually smiling. She's preparing to go to church now, and she just said, she called me. And I really woke up in the morning to come and see this beautiful house for student accommodation for anyone who is in school but who is currently staying in Harare. So it's mainly for UZ students, but if you are just from any university and you are on attachment, you are also welcome on this place. Just say hi to them. Hi, guys, I'm sure that you have actually enjoyed watching this. Let me just show you the places so that you can actually see if you would be interested in staying here. So I'm sure that this place is for boys. It's a boys student quarter. So these are the beds that you actually see. These are the beds. They are so beautiful. And there's also a very good, the tiles are good, and there's a ceiling. And these are the bathrooms that you can see. I'm being told that there is a geyser in this house. Yes. A hot geyser is solar powered, no more challenges for electricity. We are now in another room. This is another room. Wow, guys, this vlog is so exciting. And outside is the water tank that is being powered by solar as well. And let's go to the kitchen while it's on our way outside. Guys, if I was a student, I was gonna choose this place because this is one of the best. That actually a gas stove, and this is the fridge. You can store anything that you want in the fridge. Yeah, so you're not gonna have any problem. So yeah, let's show you the dining area. The dining area. Yo, yeah, this is organized. How did you think about this? Okay. So that's what really inspired you. Okay. I understand you're not staying here. Like, did you build this for yourself or for students?
No, for students. It's for students.
So guys, this is $60. And if you would want to have some transport, I think you can actually use the combi that is outside. So let's show you the combi that is outside so that you can actually. This is the line that you'll be using. You'll be just putting on your clothes right here. You are now going outside. Let's show you outside the combi so that you can see the combi. So for the people who are fans for proof, this is the water tank that you'll be actually using. It's a very big water tank, and there's a combi outside. This is the combi. Look at the combi. So the combi is actually here. So this is the one that you guys will be using, and you just pay $35 a month, Monday to Friday. It goes and drop you in the morning, and in the afternoon when you are done with your lectures, it picks you up back home. So there's no any challenges. So if you are staying outside Harare, Bulawayo, Gweru, and you are looking for students accommodation in Harare for the UZ students, this is a go-to place. But this one is for boys only. But if you also want for girls, just make sure you meet us and you actually let us know. If you have a business that you want us to showcase to the world, also let us know, and we'll actually help you Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next one. Mom, say bye.